Last class, we discussed about tissues, plant tissues and animal tissues. Now, I am explaining about one of the connective tissue, blood. Blood is having different types of cells. Now study the blood. There is a red stream that flows in closed vessels in our body. Think, what is it? Yes, the red stream that flows in closed vessels in our body is called as blood. It is also one of the type of tissue. It is connective tissue. Blood is one of the source of our wellness explanatory thing. And blood having liquid state and having many types of cells. These cells are different types, mainly divided into three types. That is, one is red blood cells, and second is white blood cells, and third is platelets. These are all flow in the closed vessels in our body, and the liquid is called also plasma. Here, observe the red blood cells. These are red blood cells, and another these white blood cells. The small particles is platelets. Our heart pumps nearly 36,000 liters of blood to a distance of nearly 20,000 kilometers in the time period of 24 hours. Blood is red in color. Do you agree with the statement that all animals carrying red blood are your blood relatives? The blood is always not red in all animals. The cockroach has white blood, whereas there is blue colored blood in snail. It is really a wonder that blood appears in different colors. Normally, adult human beings have about 5 liters of blood, which is present in the plasma. Taking blood of an adult, we can make a chain of red blood cells around the earth at the equator with 7 circles. When you are in your mother's womb, your RBC are formed in the liver and spleen. After your birth, these RBC are generated from the bone marrow of long bones. In animals, mature red blood cells are without nucleus. So the second type of cells present in blood are white blood cells. These cells do not have hemoglobin, hence they are colorless and called leukocytes. And another name of the white blood cells, leukocytes. These cells are less in number when compared to the RBC. They are of two types of white blood cells. That is, one is the granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes are having a granule type materials in their bodies. Agranulocytes, they don't have any granule type of bodies in their cells. There are two types of agranulocytes, that is called lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes secretes antibodies to guard agent foreign material that enter into blood. Monocytes move like amoeba and attack the foreign materials and engulf them the foreign materials and destroyed inside these cells. They are called as scavengers. And next, granulocytes. These granulocytes appearing this no granules, granulocytes having, it is called neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. These calls attack and destroy the microorganisms that enter the blood. Some white blood cells sacrifice their life to fight against external enemy microorganism. These dead WBC come out of wound as pus. Neutrophils are the first line of defense against bacteria, which is against to bacteria in the first line of the neutrophils. So they are called microscopic policemen. The microscope policemen are called neutrophils. The third part of the blood cells, platelets. Blood platelets are separate group of cells which do not have a nucleus. They are disc-like projections. Whenever a blood vessel in injured, platelets accumulate at the site of injury and help in the formation of a blood clot. The clot seals the wound in blood vessels and prevents further blood loss. So, dear students, now you are able to understand the blood cells. Please draw the different types of blood cells and show you on your notebooks and show me. Thanking you.